Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this circle logo. At first, make sure you've got the snapping enabled and also the snap to a rotation center active. Hold Ctrl when you drag this circle with the ellipse tool, then press Ctrl D to copy it. I give it a different fill. Hold Ctrl and Shift when you size it down, select it all, path and difference. This gives us this donut. I've got the ruler active. If you don't see it, press Ctrl R. And I drag these guides to the positions right here. And you can see it snaps to the rotation center. I'll create a new circle with the ellipse tool, and you can see it snaps to the guides. Just hold Ctrl when you drag it, and now it has the right size and is a perfect circle. Let me give it a different fill, and I hold Ctrl when I drag it to the left. The rotation center should snap. Now press Ctrl D on these red circles, so I've got two. Then I hold Shift, click on the black donut circle. I click on it again, and now I can rotate it while holding Ctrl. The angle that you use determines how many circles you need. I want to have 4, so I need 90 degrees. If you have 6, you have to go 60 degrees. So just hold Ctrl and it snaps in these increments. Let me copy this, press Ctrl D, and I'll show you something. I'll select this one, path and combine. Let me give it a stroke, no fill. I can do so by clicking on the X, and then I'll hold Shift and click on a color swatch, in this case black. I create a rectangle, put it below. Let me give it a different fill so that you can see it. Then I select it all, path and division. And now I can delete the rectangle and the inside, but you can also see if I drag this one out of there, the cut isn't perfect. It should have been, as our circles were perfectly sized. But the reason is there are these guides. Let me delete them under edit, and it creates a little bit of a glitch in Inkscape for some reason. So let me do all of that again without the guides. Once more, combine for it all, then get rid of the fill, give it a stroke, create a rectangle, put it to the background, then path and division after you've selected it all. Now everything is cut properly. So for some reason always delete the guides before you do that, or you are going to produce a glitch. And now we can select these segments and the circles that fit them and give them a different fill color. It's a good idea to also use path and union to connect these two shapes to get rid of these white lines where the circle would be. And I'll just use these basic color swatches for red. Afterwards you can select it all, press Ctrl G to group it, and maybe you want to rotate it slightly. Just click on it again and then use this function right here. And this is how you can create this circle logo in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.